Hey guys, and welcome back to scripting tutorials, the beginner series. So last time I mentioned that there are local script and stuff. So yeah, today we are gonna learn about different script types. So there are three of them. Regular one, which is just called script, as you can see, class name like this. Local script and module script. So module script is a bit hard, but I'm pretty sure you can just do simple things with it, but I'm personally not using that much because it's a bit too sophisticated and too complicated. So yeah, let's start. So regular script is basically a script which is run into server, so you can just change like stuff like this. Let's just make, I don't know, sphere. Right, let's just increase the size of it like this, and right, so just enter. I'm just gonna enter script dot parent dot let's just call it ball because of convenience. Ball dot size, or we can call it actually shape, is equal to you need a string value for this if you really want to know, and let's call it I don't know, the maybe block. Well, I hope I wrote this correctly. We'll just see. Yeah, block. Alright, so if we play, the ball is now a block, like there, and luckily it doesn't have this ugly piece like this. Those patterns, oh, I hate them so much because they are so annoying and ugly. Right, so we wrote this in regular script. Now just press Ctrl X, which cuts the thing, and paste it into local. Right, so if we do this, I believe it just doesn't do anything, and that's because my friend's local script cannot access workspace even though it's not filtering enabled. But if we press that, it doesn't make any difference whatsoever. Am I right? Yes, I am. Right, so let's just enter this thing because I don't want it to roll away. Right, as you can see, local script can only do stuff in your starter GUI, starter pack, starter player, and that's pretty much it. Right, but it has a bit of good thing. Well, also it is exploitable a bit, and that's how you do your things such as increasing walk speed, B-tools and stuff like this. So yeah, if I like enter the I can actually insert this in a starter GUI. Right, if I do this, and we can actually do like this. I just make a variable player is equal to game dot players dot local player, and we cannot do this via a regular script, so that's a good thing. And when it selects the player, that's because it's the script inside that player, and it just replicates that. Let me show you. Players, player 1, and as you can see, player GUI. Alright, and here we see our third type of script, which is called module script. And it's pretty unique script. Actually, it cannot be neither enabled nor disabled, as you can clearly see. But if we see, for example, a regular script, it has this property. Yeah, like this. You might ask why it's not disabled, why it cannot be disabled. So that's because it never actually works unless it's used in other scripts, so that's pretty useful. So let's just say we create the script, and yeah, so how you wanna do this. You have a module script, right? You might get confused or something. What does the return mean? What does this brackets mean? What does that mean? So I'm gonna explain you just a little bit. So those brackets is actually a array, an array, or a table, as you can also call. Right. So local, that's because it's just inside of this, and if you delete this local, it just prints a warning, so don't do that. Well, if I do like this, I believe it just does a warning. Well, it doesn't, so never mind. Right, so you can make pretty complicated stuff with this, and it's like function which I'm gonna mention in later tutorials. So yeah, just try to do like this. Let's just say I set a variable like a is equal 1 and b is equal 5, and yeah, just make a table and just do like that, right? And just there is a function called to string or to number, just converts that to other value. Also, I have to mention that not every single value cannot be converted to number, like letters, because it wouldn't make any sense, you know. So yeah, well, you don't really need to do this. You can do like that, and that's pretty much equal to nil, as I mentioned before. But yeah, so if I did this correctly, we need to do there something, and we're gonna print this because it's the simplest way to show you that. Right, so what you wanna do is just enter require, and then place where it is. So it's workspace dot module script, and if we did this correctly, it shouldn't print error. As you can see, it printed 6, so that's pretty simple, right? Okay, well, it's not very useful to do this, but if you like wanna share something in this, and that's pretty useful, you know. So yeah, and require just basically just communicates to module script, and then asks him, so Mr. Module Script, do you have the things? And then it just returns that, because you know you said that to return stuff. So just all it does, just like says that, yeah, I have this, just yeah, take it, and we just print that. So yeah, just comes to output. And if I change this, just like 100, and just do multiplication like this star sign, so it should print 500. Yeah, as you can see, pretty simple. So yeah, that's that, and I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.